In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to connect Wi-Fi direct on the Epson WorkForce Pro C5710. This method allows you to print directly from your phone without using any router or internet connection.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
The Epson WorkForce Pro C5710 comes with Wi-Fi Direct, allowing you to connect your devices wirelessly and print instantly. In the first step, tap the Wi-Fi icon at the top of the display screen. You will then see two options, Router and Wi-Fi Direct. Next, tap the Wi-Fi Direct icon, and then click on Start Setup to begin the connection process. Now you can easily see the Wi-Fi Direct name and password of the printer. This means Wi-Fi Direct is now active, and you can connect your phone to it easily. To change the password or disable Wi-Fi Direct, tap the Wi-Fi icon again, open Wi-Fi Direct, and then select the Change Settings option. I will change only the password and set a simpler one, making it easier and faster for your devices to connect to the printer via Wi-Fi Direct. In this step, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. You will see the printer's Wi-Fi name. Tap on it and enter the password to connect your phone to the printer. Now you can easily print from your phone's gallery or file manager. However, Device Doctor recommends using the official Epson app, Epson iPrint, for better quality and faster printing. After completing the initial setup, you can easily use the Epson iPrint app to check nozzles, perform cleaning, and print from sections like scan, photo print, and document print. Now you have successfully connected your Epson WorkForce Pro C5710 via Wi-Fi Direct. You can print instantly from your phone using Epson iPrint or any other app. Enjoy faster printing and manage all printer functions wirelessly. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to support Device Doctor.